Szia,
Szia
Karla!
Karla! Boldog születésnapot kívánunk!
Wish you a happy birthday.
Hi, Kellen. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Carla. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Carla. May your next 40 years be just as full of family, fun, and adventure. Have a wonderful party.
Hey, little sister, happy birthday. Welcome to the dark side. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. It's going to be all right. Happy 40th. Looking forward to seeing you again soon since we're now both in Tejas. Take care. Bye.
Hi Karla!
Hi Carla!
Happy birthday from Budapest!
Hey Carla, it's Jocelyn, your old friend from Emory, coming to you from the great snowy state of Michigan to wish you a wonderful and happy 40th birthday party. I hope you're having a great time celebrating with your wonderful family and friends. Thinking about you a lot. Unfortunately, it's been way too long, but I always think back to our great and probably unmentionable memories of Emory and the years after, and really have always been grateful for your friendship and for your generous, caring spirit. And I know that's carried you far in life, and your wonderful family gets to benefit from it now. So I hope you have the best of birthdays, the best of 40th years. 40 is definitely the new 27, so live it up, girl. And I'm really hoping we'll get to see each other soon as we kind of move through the kid years of our lives and on to really exciting new adventures. Take care, have a wonderful time, and I'm thinking of you all.
Hello Carla, I wish you happy birthday in the name of the whole Hungarian family. Isten éltessen sokáig. Puszilunk!
Hey Carla, it's Dana. I'm here wishing you a very happy 40th birthday from the quad at Emory, thinking about all of our wonderful memories way back when, and wish I was there to celebrate with you, but I know you'll have a wonderful time. We love you very much, and I'm hoping that in the year 40 I'll actually get to see you and catch up. Take care. Bye.